কেৰেলা জিকা এইবিলাক আছে এইটোৰ ওপৰত ৰঙালাও কোমোৰা ওপৰত মানে হ'ব লৈছে যোৱাবাৰ কমলা বহুত হৈছিলে এইবাৰ প্ৰথম ৰুইছিলোঁ এতিয়া নেমু টেঙাও লাগিছে I have developed this waste assimilator. So it is my invention. So through which we can convert our daily generated biodegradable solid waste to organic manure and biopest repellent. Just immediately after disposing the biodegradable waste, it will initially takes 2 to 3 days time to get the liquid nutrients which we can utilize as organic manure cum biopest repellent. And finally after 120 days, we get the vermicompost. So through this process, more than 70% household biodegradable solid waste can be managed at source, and we can at the same time we can develop our organic kitchen gardening. So this invention of waste assimilator is now developing the concept of waste management and organic farming in every household. So this is in this process, I believe that this will create a organic green revolution near future.
Live their stories,